grown-ups, welcome back to Kidding Around. My name is Melanie Smith and this is your weekly update. This week your kids will be doing a Test Tube Tuesday lesson, a Thoughtful Thursday lesson, and a Standout story lesson on Saturday. On Tuesday your kids will be learning about the science behind rainbows. And on Thursday your kids will get to make mountain Rice Krispie treats for their teachers who truly do move mountains. And on Saturday we'll be talking all about Mr. Rogers, and your kids will get to make their very own life-size trolley. All of the supply lists for all of these activities are listed below this video, and they're also on the individual videos as well. Thank you so much. Have a great week.